Hello and welcome everybody. So today we are going to start learning Rust. So for learning Rust, let's first start and install Rust in our Windows system. Okay. So let's start with download Rust for Windows. Go to install Rust and we have our Rust up download for export it. So we will do a quick install. One, it will download the installer. So as we can see, Visual Studio is installed and these two things we need to download. We will come back once it's installed. After installation, we will proceed with our standard installation. So it will download all the components that will require to run. So we will see the Rust is installed now. So press enter and we are done with it. So let's check if our Rust is installed or not. So let's start with this folder we are using, learning Rust. Go to CMD, check for Rust C dash dash version. Let me zoom it. So here you can see our Rust is installed and it has installed the version 1.88. So we create our yes site Rust author. So let's start and create a small program for Hello World like we start for every language. So I am going to create one main file called main.rs. So this is our main file for our Rust program to run. So here I'm going to create a function for main, and in our function I'm just going to print line hello world. That's it, and let's run this. We will run with the Rust C and main.rs. So you can see our exe is created for our main.rs, and now we can run this main.exe, sorry, main.exe, and this will return our hello world. So when we run Rust, it will compile our when we run Rust, it will compile our Rust program into an exe, and that exe we can run. So that's it for this video. I hope you are able to set up your Rust environment program. From the next video, we will start going through all the topics in our Rust programming. Thank you for watching.